Ah! So spring is right around the corner and the weather is just not there quite yet to be putting fertilizer products on the lawn and growing the lawn. But if you're like me, you've got a lot of anxiety and you just want to get started on something, there are a few things that you can be applying to the soil to help the lawn get an early start on the season. Let's talk about it. Here we go. So like I said, everything today is about the soil. All the magic happens in the soil. Whenever you put down fertilizer, whenever you put down other products, everything works in the soil. So if you can get the soil happy, then you're better off. So let me show you the products that I'm going to be putting down today. And since we've been getting rain the last few days, and I think there's a little bit more forecasted, I'm also testing my sprinkler controller today to make sure everything works. So I'll get some water to push everything down into the soil as well. But let me show you what I'm going to use. Now before I get into these, let me just say that I've been using these for the last few years now, and when I take my soil samples for my soil tests, I notice a difference in the quality of the soil and how soft the soil is compared to where it was when I started working on my lawn. This is an area that is full of thick, hard, rocky clay soil, and if you live anywhere similar, you understand and you can relate. These products help break down that clay and soften it up and make it much more topsoil quality. So with that, let me explain these products and what I'm going to be mixing together and applying to the lawn today. First up is Humic 12, and again, all of these products are from the Next line from Green County Fertilizer, and I just really like them a lot. I think they work really well. But anyways, this is Humic 12. It's a humic acid soil conditioner, and it acts as a chelator when you put down products to make them work faster and work better. The grass and the soil loves this stuff. Second thing I'm going to put down is a root growth stimulant. This has sea kelp and humic acid in it. It's going to help the roots grow faster and stronger and bigger, and it's going to help improve soil quality as well. I'm also going to be putting down a liquid aeration product, and this is going to help open up the soil and make it softer and help water and nutrients and airflow to get down into the grass plant and the root systems faster and easier. And then last but not least, a new product from the Next line called CK, and this has potassium and sea kelp in it, and it's highly concentrated, so this little bottle will last a really, really long time. I'll go ahead and mix all these up and leave a link down in the description for you so you can check these out and grab them for yourself and try them out in your lawn. So here we go, let's mix them up and spray them out. There you have it. That's going to go ahead and wrap it up for me today. I love putting those products down. I've seen a difference and I know that they work. So if you want to check them out, try them for yourself. I'll leave information down in the description below for you, and I'll leave links to pretty much everything that I've used in this video. I get a lot of questions about those measuring pitchers, so I'll make sure that you can have access to those as well. Those things are just really nice to have on hand. I'm going to go ahead and spray the backyard now. Probably not something that you want to see. We've already done pretty much the same thing in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up and get it done back here too. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Henry, come here.